Hello my dear crafter. Today I'm going to walk you through all the supplies that I just bought from the Dollar Tree, show you what I've been doing with them and what I plan to do for the channel, okay? But before I do that, I want to invite you to become a member of Paula's Corner. So that's my membership. All you need to do is click on the join button below, and there you get exclusive videos, some tutorials especially for craft fairs from now on, and also some early access. So right now you already have the early access to the tutorial on how to make these with post-it notes. You have these 2 boxes on how to make them. Pretty. And this is the exclusive video for members only. This is great for craft fairs and for gifting. So yeah, it's very inexpensive, $4.99 a month, and you can just stop anytime you want. And if you do have a computer, do it on the computer because it's cheaper. If you do it on an iPhone, Apple will charge you 30% more. So anyway, now let's show you all the things that I bought at the Dollar Tree yesterday. I'm already working for, these will all be craft fair items and gifting for Christmas. So I fell in love with this very nice diary. Look at this, it's for $27.28. It's very good quality. It's let's see, it's a week. Yeah, if you open it up you have a week here, so it's like a weekly planner. I loved it, but I added something to it because sometimes I buy it and I make kits or I create around it, but sometimes I transform it. So for example, this one, yesterday I started doing this. I added elastic just to make it nicer. So I don't think we need to do much here because I love the colors and everything. I'm going to create something with it, maybe a kit, we'll see. But why not add elastic, right? I already have some tutorials on how to add elastic, so just go to my playlist notebooks and you'll find it there. And this time I did something different because usually we put the elastic here and it goes around, and I saw this in one and I tried it. The only difference is that the elastic will come from the inside part, because when you do this it covers the eyelet. It's just a detail. Usually I do it coming from here. If you want the eyelet to show, it's not a big thing, but I wanted to try and I like the way it looks. I'm just going to do it a little further away because I thought it was, if I keep it flush here, it's a little too close. So I'll just move it a little bit to the right here. But that's what I'm doing. So I'm looking at the things I bought and how can I transform it. Sometimes I decorate it, sometimes I just add something like this, and then I'll create around it. So these are actually, these 2 of these will be gifts for friends. I'm going to Brazil at the end of end of September. Oh my gosh, no, August, for my mom's birthday. So these will be gifts. I bought some, these are more planners, so I'll just show you and then I'll go to kids because we have back to school soon. This is another monthly planner that I really liked, and I still don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I thought this was very good. I wish they had one 2026 because I would use it because we still have 6 months to go, right? But anyway, I like the paper, I like the colors, so I bought 2. I want to hear your opinion on this. So I got these little boxes. I don't know what they're called, but they're prayer something. So you have the box. I just love this. So you have like it's prayer box. Yeah, that's what it's called. So you have this little note thing here and a little pen. Isn't this cutie thing? But I was thinking about creating some kind of maybe scenery here, Christmas scenery. I can cover this, cover the top. But even though I look at this and say, this is so cute as is, but I am thinking of creating Christmas sceneries here with a little card, and this will be a beautiful gift and craft fair item. If you have any more ideas, just give it to me. I'll make them reality. I got tons of, oh, let me do the kids things, because I know that in September in the US, that's when kids go back to school. So I am thinking about back to school kits. So I found these two notebooks. I thought they were so cute. I already took the label off of one of them. But these are very cute notebooks. How cute is that? Maybe I'll add a pocket here with a notebook for the inside. I'm still thinking, but it will be part of a kit. And I still don't know how to put them together. Here's another one that I really like. It has this squishy little smiley faces. Oh, again, very nice. But again, this one I may add. Maybe I'll add some elastic, we'll see. I love these little, let me get the other one. No, I only got one. I always love to have some pretty erasers, so I'll get these out of here and that will be part of the kit. I thought they were so cute. And these notebooks, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Absolutely love these notebooks. I am bringing, I think, this one to my goddaughter, because I think she will absolutely love it. I'll make a kit for her with some of these things. So these two I loved. They had, so you know what I did actually, and I invite you to do the same, because you might have the same result. I usually go to this specific Dollar Tree that's closer to my house. I drove a little farther away, and oh my gosh, I am never going back to the one close to me. They don't have these nice things. They don't have the number of different options and really nice things at this Dollar Tree. So it does make a difference the store you go to. Plus, it was very organized and clean, and the one near my house is a mess. So I'm not going there again. So this is another kit stationery set, and it has like this very pretty post-it note thing. We have I don't know if this is, no, this is just a decoration. I don't think it's eraser, is it? No. One set. Let me see if it says. Set back for... Pen, oh, it's a pen topper. Okay, cool. Pen topper. Oh, I love that. To put the top on the top of this pen. So I will tear this apart and create something cute. And I just bought one of these because I thought it was so cool. This is a pen. Isn't that cool for a boy or a girl that likes cars? I was what kind of girl were you? Please let me know. I know most people here, most of my viewers are women. So what kind of girl were you? I was the typical princess wannabe. I loved ballet. To this day I still do. Ballet, I was always dressed up as all the princesses you can think of, and dancing ballet with my tutus around the house. That's the kind of girl I was. I would love to hear what kind of girl you were. If you like cars, and if you like to... Oh, but I also loved, because I had my home had a huge yard, so I loved to climb on trees. So I guess that's a tomboy kind of thing. I don't know. People have to put things in boxes and labels. I don't like that. Anyway, of course, we are coming up with ideas for our notepads. They call it tablets. Yeah. So I got some more because I'm running low on those, and you know I love to make things with those. Got some of these too. I love that they're colored pages. So we'll do something with this. And the medium size too, because I really like this size. So I got some of that. And my fave to work with, as you guys know, my little tiny mini composition books. I forgot to get composition books. I was going to get some too, but I forgot. So these are the 3.25 by 4.5. As you know, they have two sizes. So this is the smaller one, I believe. Yeah. So I think, oh, I got some elastic because I am going to add elastic. This is the quarter elastic, the width. Oh, and I got some of these post-it notes that are a little thicker. I like those because these are great to cover and create. So I may put all of these together, may do it differently. I'm still kind of working on the ideas. And guys, whenever you have an idea, run it by me, because I would love to make it happen, okay? Sometimes I am running short on ideas. It doesn't happen very often, but sometimes it does. So thank you so much. I guess that was that. I think that's the full haul. Yeah. Yes, thank you so much. And I already have a couple of members of Paula's Corner. And thank you so much, guys, for joining, okay? It really means a lot to me. And it's like an incentive for me to continue doing free videos. But you do get your own exclusive videos, early access to my tutorials. I'm planning to do live, so it's going to be a great community to build. And we'll be talking to each other, which is amazing. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.